Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can change custom controllers keybins on Fortnite on PS4 or Xbox. It's real easy and let me show how. So first I am using PS4, so what you need to do here, also if you're using PS4, you need to go press options button and you should end up on this page. I don't know on Xbox what you need to press it, but simply you need to be here and then press on settings, and then with R1 go to, as you can see here, controller. I will go again, controller here, and on the left side you should see old school, quick builder, combat, pro, and custom. So go on custom and then select the button that you want to change. So for example, I want to change R1, right? So press on it and then press triangle to clear, and as you can see here, now it says unbound. And simply what we need to do here, press X again and then select whatever we want. So for example, we want to crouch, and don't forget with L2 and R2 select change combat controls, build controls, edit controls, and ability controls. And when you're satisfied with your options, then press apply. And that's pretty much it, what you need to do here if you want to change custom controller keybins on Fortnite. So guys, if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.